In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upgrade your chess.com account to premium step by step. Whether you want unlimited puzzles, deeper game analysis, or access to advanced coaching tools, upgrading your membership unlocks a whole new level of features. I'll walk you through everything so you can do it psura and without confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small cogwheel. This will open up your settings panel. From here, go ahead and click on all settings to access the full settings menu. Now on the left hand side, you'll see a list of options. Find and click on membership. This is where you can manage your current plan or upgrade to a premium account. At the top of the membership page, you'll see a button that says Upgrade or Change Plan. Click on that to continue. Now you'll be taken to the plan selection screen. At the top, you can toggle between yearly and monthly billing. If you choose yearly, you can save up to 40%. So that's something to consider if you plan on using chess.com long term. Next, you'll see 3 different premium tiers to choose from. The first one is Gold, which gives you unlimited puzzles and lessons, removes ads, and unlocks access to over 100 bots. The second option is Platinum, which includes everything in Gold plus unlimited game review so you can analyze all your matches in detail. And finally, there's Diamond, which includes everything in Platinum along with coach explanations and deeper insights to really improve your gameplay. Take a moment to decide which plan fits your needs and your budget. Once you've chosen your plan, click on the Choose Plan button, or if available, click Try Free for 7 days to test it out before committing. After that, you'll be guided through the payment process. Just enter your payment details, confirm your subscription, and that's it. Your account will be upgraded instantly and you can start enjoying all the premium features right away. And that's all there is to it. Upgrading your chess.com account is quick, easy, and definitely worth it if you're serious about improving your chess skills. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.